Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of your Telegram account on your mobile device. So first of all, open the Telegram app and now tap on the settings option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now it will take you to this page where if you look, you can't find the logout Telegram account anywhere. So in order to log out of your account, tap on the edit option on the top right corner of the screen. And now if you look to the bottom side of the screen, you can see an option named Logout. So tap on it and then tap on Logout. Now confirm whether you want to log out by tapping OK. And there you have it. You have successfully logged out of a Telegram account. And now if you want to sign back in and don't know how to, we have a separate video on how to log into your Telegram account, whose link will be in the description. You can check that video out. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.